today I'm going to tell you about some AI tools that are going to blow your mind. You can use all these AI tools on a phone, a computer, or even a tablet. So the first tool is Leonardo AI. It's super easy to start using just by tapping on Launch app. And on the left hand side, they have this new real-time canvas tool where you can draw what you'd like the AI to generate. And don't worry, your artwork can be pretty bad. You can also type in what you'd like to see, and as you type, the AI will generate the artwork straight away, which is crazy. Then you can even pick the exact art style, whether that's cinematic, photographic, fantasy art, a sketch, or a dynamic art. There's even this instant refine option which makes your artwork look 10 times better. This tool can even generate an image with just a prompt, and not just an image, it can even add motion to the images, and the AI generations are pretty high quality. So now imagine you had a paintbrush that could magically make pictures come alive. Well, you can do that using this AI tool called runwayml.com. When you go to this text to video option, it has a brand new tool called Motion Brush. All you have to do is add a photo and then paint over the areas you like to bring to life. Then adjust the motion, just click save and then generate. And in a few minutes, your photo will come to life, which is just so cool. Plus, you can even use selfies, which is just crazy. Now, this next tool is absolutely hilarious and you have to search for mischief.app. Here you'll see a list of super popular GIFs, or if you don't like any of the options here, you can also search for some. And once you find the GIF, just hit on the browse button and look for a photo of yourself or a friend. Then tap on let's face swap, and then the AI will generate this hilarious face swap GIF, which, let's not lie, it's too good at making it look real. And the crazy thing is that all of this is absolutely free. Okay, so now if you head on over to roomy.com, you can actually use AI to redecorate your entire house. All you got to do is log in using your Google account and just select restyle. Now just upload the image of the room, and once you've uploaded your room, you can then scroll down to see styles and pick exactly what design style you'd like. And once you've chosen a style, you can also choose the color palette. And if you scroll down a bit more, you'll see a few other options you can play around with. But then just click on restyle image button, and in just a few seconds, it will completely transform your room based on different styles and colors you chose. It will change the paint color, the design, furniture, decor, and it's such a cool way to get ideas on how to style your space. Now the last AI tool is called mylens.ai. It's super simple to use. All you got to do is ask it for the history of anything, like YouTube for example, and then just click on create timeline button, and it will start creating a timeline for you of YouTube's entire history and pretty much everything that happened to make it what it is today. You can do this for anything like Twitter, Samsung, or Apple, and it will always narrow down the most important historical points for you. And if you want to save these timelines, you can just download them too. And in terms of accuracy, I feel it's pretty much accurate. Honestly, I think this is going to be an insane year for AI, and there are going to be many new AI tools being released. So make sure you stick around for those. Till then, bye-bye. I'll see you guys in the next one. Also, make sure you like and share the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.